Hello student, welcome to class. Today we are going to discuss about a new chapter named Air and Water. Chapter name is Air and Water. In this chapter we will read about air and water. Okay? Now we will know some importance knowledge from this chapter. By the end of this lesson, we will able to know importance of air and in which way we can help keep the air clean. Second, importance of water and uses of water, and also we know sources of water. And we know different way in which we can save water. This important knowledge we receive from this lesson. Come on the lesson. First topic, air. In this video, we learn about of air, and next video, we will learn about of water. In this video, we only learn about of air. So, come on the topic, air. Student, look this picture. This picture of wind socks. Wind socks. Wind socks are used in airport to show wind direction. This is a wind socks. Wind socks are used in airports to show wind direction. Okay? Come on the topic. The earth as we saw consists of land, water and air. In this chapter, we will read about air and water. Firstly, we know about of water. Student, this is water. This is air. Spelling of air, A-I-R, air. We are going to discuss about air. Air is present everywhere around us. Air is present everywhere around us. The earth is surrounded by a thin layer of air. The earth is surrounded by a thin layer of air. Living beings like as plants, animals and humans breathe need to in air to survive. Plants also use air to carry out photosynthesis. Air is made of gases, water and dust. We cannot see or hold air, but we can feel it when it moves. Moving air is called wind. Student, in this paragraph, we learn what is the air. Moving air is called wind. What is the wind? Moving air is called wind. And about our air, air is present everywhere around us. The earth is surrounded by a thin layer of air. Living beings breathe in air to survive. Plants also use air to carry out photosynthesis. Component of air. Component of air. Air is actually a mixture of a number of gases: dust particles and water vapor. Air contains about 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and less than 1 of the nitrogen and less than 1% of organs, carbon dioxide and other gases. Student, air contains about 78% of nitrogen, 21% oxygen and less than 1% of organs, carbon dioxide and other gases. We cannot see or hold air, but we can feel it when it moves. Moving air is called wind. What is the wind? There is a question. What is the wind? Answer of this question: moving air is called wind. Question and answer. What is the wind? Moving air is called wind. Next, clean air. Student, how we can keep our air clean? Some action or read to keeping the air clean. Okay? We need clean air to stay healthy. When we burn things like coal, wood and petrol, smoke is produced. Student, we need clean air to stay healthy. When we burn things like coal, wood and petrol, smoke is produced. This smoke is full of harmful gases and dust particles. Petrol, wood, coal, factory, smoking coming out of the chimney of the factory, these are harmful gases. It makes the air dirty. These gases makes the air dirty. When we breathe in dirty air, we get diseases like asthma. Student, when we breathe in dirty air, we get disease like asthma. We can help keep the air clean by doing the following. We can help keep the air clean by doing the following. First, choose to walk or cycle whenever we can instead of using vehicles like cars and scooters. Second, plant trees. Plant trees. Trees help keep the air clean. 2. There is given 2 ways to keep our air clean. Firstly, choose to walk or cycle. Second, plant tree. Trees help keep the air clean. Okay? Student, in this chapter, we read about of air and clean air and how we can keep our air clean. Okay? importance of air and way in which we can help keep the air clean. Okay, firstly you read this chapter line by line and all exercises of this lesson you solve. Okay, there is given some activities for you. Firstly, you read it carefully and collect all things that are given here and try to how to do it. Okay? Okay, student? Thanks.